Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next chapter of accountancy called as trial balance. Today I will tell you about the meaning and the format of the trial balance and what is the purpose and the functions of the trial balance. Now you may see the meaning of the trial balance. As you know, the first process of accounting journal, and after that ledger, and ledger will give the balances, all the balances related with the five items, maybe assets, liabilities, capitals, and the revenue and expenses. Which side is more, you have to put in the trial balance. The trial balance shows the summary of the all the accounts extracted from the ledger. It means maintained in the ledger. Every transaction, every account will come to the trial balance from the ledger. Out of the rules of debit and credit, having the balance, it will come to the trial balance. So no one give the weightage to revenue will not go, expense will not go. Every item of the five rules will be listed here. Trial balance is a statement of debit and credit totals, or maybe the statement of the debit and credit balance of the ledger arranged in the separate account. Here the two words are there, debit and credit totals. This is the one method also, debit and credit balance. This is the another method also. But as per the syllabus is focusing on the balance method. So I will discuss only the balance method. Total will inform you only. This is the format of the trial balance now. The name of account is to be listed here. It is a statement. First of all, you try to understand. This is a statement. Trial balance of the name of the company will be write down here because it is a statement. So as at word will be applied and the date will be filled here. On the date trial balance is maintained. Now the name of account is listed here without putting any to or by item. Only the name of account is to be listed here because this is not a account format. So to and by is not needed. You have to write down the all the items here related with the assets, liabilities, capitals and the revenue and expenses. Then the items like I am referring the one account you have to list here. The balance may be the debit or credit. The both cannot be there. So put if it is debit in the debit column, if it is credit into the credit balance as per the nature of rules of debit and credit, because the journal is based on the rules of debit and credit. When the by the practices a student can identify it, is it asset or expense or the liabilities and the other one also. So then according to the nature, if they are with the concerned particular rules, that means the nature will be debit or credits. So I am moving to the next. Now the objectives or the functions of the trial balance. Trial balance is used to calculate the arithmetical accuracy. So arithmetical accuracy refers to only the total of the trial balance can be checked. Error if exist in the nature of accounts cannot be checked by the trial balance. So this is the objectives to check the numerical accuracy, arithmetical accuracy. The second one is the function of the trial balance is to help in the financial statement. Trial balance is not compulsory to prepare as per the Company Act, but company is preparing only for checking of the numerical accuracy or the errors to find out if there is any in the preparing of ledger posting. Time to time, anytime it can be prepared. So the to help in the preparing the financial statement from the ledger directly the financial statement can be prepared. Financial statement is compulsory to prepare, but in between the trial balance which is not compulsory for the removing the error it is prepared. So if it is prepared then trial balance will provide the data to the final statements. Normally the ledger is providing, but if trial balance is prepared, then trial balance is providing the data to the financial statement. Next one is to help in the locating the errors. If totals are not matching, it means recording errors may be there. Posting errors may be there. So it means the errors can be at the time of recording, it will not be shown by the trial balance. But if the error is existing at the time of ledger posting, it will show. It means it will give the signs to check your accounts, ledger posting. And now next one is that to show the summary of the ledger account. It show the summary of all the accounts, real, nominal and personal. Or you may say assets, liabilities, capital, revenue and expense. All the items will be shown by the I objectives. And now I am moving to the next content will be discussed later on. Thank you.